Can you listen and can I give you my mother's phone number?
Yeah, I got you.
I'm so sorry.
I got you. I got you. Relax. Relax.
Am I really?
Relax.
Do I seem drunk? I'm sorry.
Relax. Relax.
Oh, God.
Do you want anything out of the car, like a cell phone, a wallet?
No, I don't need anything.
You don't need anything?
Do I see?
How you doing, man? You have your license, registration, insurance?
Yeah, I have my license right here.
Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from the bar. I'm coming from Point Pleasant.
Point Pleasant?
Yeah, Jenks Bar.
Okay.
This is a registration.
And
Registration, insurance?
This isn't my car. This is my friend's car.
Whose car is this?
This is my friend's registration.
Who's your
Should
friend?
be Kelly Hickey. I'm her son.
Yeah.
Your son?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm a DD.
Where are you heading to?
We're going back to
We're
Jackson.
going to Jackson.
Jackson?
Yeah.
Okay. Who lives in Jackson?
Both of us.
Okay. Alright. Let me take this back. You can take
what
that.
Was the
You were driving erratically all over the road and you were speeding.
speeding?
Okay. And you were
much over.
I was trying to catch up to you.
Oh,
I was
really?
going 65.
On what?
65.
On 65
It's
on what?
35.
35?
Yeah.
On what road?
This road.
So you don't need the registration.
No, I got it. You had 2 copies.
Okay.
So, yeah, this is all good too.
Thank you.
And then I'll be right with you, alright?
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
No problem. Alright, Deanna? Is that how you say it now? Deanna.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, that's okay.
Alright, Deanna. I'm going to run you through a series of tests.
I'm so sorry. I don't mean to be inappropriate.
You're good.
Yeah.
Don't worry
okay.
about it. Don't worry
That's
about
okay.
it. I'm going to run you through a series of tests. Just
That's
make sure
okay.
you're okay to drive,
Yeah.
alright?
No, totally.
So the first test, it's going to be a walk and turn. So we're going to use this line right here.
Yeah, that's okay.
It gives you like a guide. So if you want to stand on
the
that.
left?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you want to stand on that line, you want to back up a little to your car.
Oh, okay.
So you give yourself more
This
room.
actually isn't my car, but
Oh, well, your friend's car. So you're going to stand like this, with one foot in front of the other, with your hands on your side, and then I'm going to explain to you the instructions, okay?
Yeah.
So if you want to get like that right now, one foot in front of the other, hands by your side. Okay. So what you then do is you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps on this line. So I'm going to demonstrate it, okay? So it's going to be 1, 2, 3. Not yet. Don't start until
Oh, I'm sorry.
all good, all good. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3 heel to toe steps.
Yeah.
Okay. On that 9th step, you're gonna take a series of small steps, turn around, and go 1, 2, 3, 9 steps back.
So count to 9 and then count to 3.
No, count to 9, count to 9. I did 3, you're then do 9. Okay, so I just did 3 for a demonstration.
I got you.
But you then count to 9, count to 9.
9.
Heel to toe.
That was 9.
Okay.
Do I?
No, that's
do
it.
one more?
Nope. So the next test, put your feet together, hands by your side. Then whatever foot of you're choosing, you're gonna lift up 1 foot about 6 inches above the ground. Okay? And then you're gonna count 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000. You got a question?
I wish I knew 1,000.
Okay, you can do 1 100.
I'm a psychology major. I'm not good at math.
Okay.
I was a cheerleader though. I was a cheerleader.
You can pick whatever foot.
I am really good with balance.
Okay.
This is a massive red flag. She pivots to her past as a cheerleader to prove she has balance, but admits she struggles with the math. In a DUI investigation, the inability to divide attention, listening to instructions while performing physical tasks, is exactly what officers are looking for. Like the video if you're enjoying it.
Any sense, but I can give you balance.
Okay, perfect.
I was a cheerleader my entire life. I'm always athletic.
Okay.
And I'm very responsible.
Okay, you don't start yet.
Right now. No, I'm telling you.
Okay.
I
Don't start yet.
can
Ready?
give you balance.
That's perfect. That's what I'm asking for.
I can give
So
you balance.
can you stand over here for a second?
Yeah.
I don't want traffic to go. So ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Hands by your side.
Yeah.
You lift
sorry.
whatever leg up of your choosing.
Do you want me to left or right?
Whatever leg you want. Ready? You then stand up until I tell you to stop. So it's gonna be 1,000, 1,000. You then stare at the ball of your foot right there. It's about 6 inches above the ground. You may begin whenever you want. Do you understand?
I don't know what sinks. I don't
I'll
know what
explain it
6
to you.
inches is.
Okay, it's like a dollar bill or like a soda can. Okay, do you get it? Okay.
I can do that.
Okay, you can begin whenever you want. I want you to count out loud too, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4,
Alright, we're not doing this.
5, 6,
Alright.
7.
Put your hands behind your back.
Yeah.
You know where you're getting locked up? Suspicion of DUI, okay?
Yeah.
Is that good?
Is this Jackson?
No, this is Manalokin.
Manalokin.
Manalokin, yeah.
Alright.
Are those too tight? Are you good?
It is a little tight. Can you listen and can I give you my mother's phone number?
Yeah, I got
Shit,
you.
I'm so sorry.
I got you.
Fuck,
I
I'm
got
so
you.
sorry.
Relax.
Am I really?
Relax.
Do I seem drunk? I'm sorry.
Relax.
Oh, God.
Do you want anything out of the car, like a cell phone, a wallet?
No, I don't need anything.
You don't need anything?
Am I drunk? Do I seem drunk?
Under.
Can you please just call my mom?
Yeah,
I
we'll
just
call
wanna
her.
Talk to my
There's
mom.
a whole process that he has to go through. Is your cell phone in there so you can call your mom when the process is over?
Of
Okay.
course.
Where's your cell phone in the car?
I
so
mean, it's just my phone's gonna be just like in any purse that's
Okay,
in there.
well then-
Fuck. No, can I just please have?
We'll then get your phone. We'll get your phone. Calm down.
Okay.
Calm down, we'll get it.
I'm not even the person driving.
Okay, we'll then get. Here, come
Dude,
walk to my car.
No, I'm not.
What do you want to talk about?
Fuck. I'm not even the person driving. Was I the person driving?
Yeah, you were the person driving. Come on.
Okay.
You're good. Do you have anything in your pockets? Do you have pockets?
No. God no.
You don't got pockets?
God no.
Okay. Yeah, take a seat.
Oh shit. Oh my god.
You're good. I'm gonna buckle you in, alright? Now, do you have your cell phone?
I have.
You don't want your cell phone? I'm gonna grab your cell phone, okay? Okay.
I have nothing. Fuck.
That car,
She goes, was I driving?
that car is registered to the passenger.
His grandmother.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's not.
He's wasted too.
He says he's not. He's like, you could run me through a test. He's like, I'm not drunk.
Run him through each chant.
Can I please just call my mom?
Yeah,
Can I
let
please
me-
call
let-
my
let me-
mom?
hey.
I just wanted to know.
Hey,
who
ready,
I am.
ready,
I'm
ready,
sorry.
ready?
I just wanted to know where I
Are you
am.
ready? Are you ready?
No,
I'll make
I'm
you a deal.
sorry.
I'll make you a deal. Let me go through.
I don't need a deal. I just.
No, ready? I'm gonna bring you back to the PT. We then go through all my paperwork that I have to fill out,
just
and then
wanna call my mom.
you're gonna call her, okay?
Okay.
I promise you. You can talk to her all night.
I'm so sorry.
You're good. You're good. Yeah. How you doing, sir?
How's it going, man?
Good. You're saying that you're good to drive. You didn't drink.
I'm good. If you want to run tests, whatever you want to do.
Where you coming from, Jenks?
James, yeah, I was.
So what it is, under anyone that we lock up for driving while intoxicated,
I got you.
it's called John's Law. So we technically have to, unless like you were like straight up sober, but like technically we have to tow the vehicle, and I know it sucks. Is there any way you can find a ride?
I can. The only.
You know what I'm
listen,
saying?
I'm not trying to. Trust me, I'm not trying to tell you how to do your job.
Yeah, I
I'm not
get
trying
it.
to- I'm not trying to give you
I get
a
it.
bonus for me or whatever.
Yeah.
She's.
Yeah.
She goes to school there.
Yeah.
She's been there for the past
whatever it was,
Yeah.
4 years at this point.
Yeah.
She's never around here.
Yeah.
It's my fault that we got in a situation.
Yeah.
I promise you right now, I am as sober as can be.
Okay.
I can get us home. We'll be home in 20 minutes from Jackson, New Jersey. I get it. She was driving.
Yeah, I just don't feel. I just don't feel comfortable with you driving. That's all it is.
I can
If you can find a ride, and then if she wants to call you, I'll try to make her paperwork as quick as possible.
So if I just want to get it right, we would have to get a sober or get a sober ride.
Yes.
Come pick her up.
Yes.
And then it would go on like
yes, and then like I can have her call you, and like I said, I'll get it done as soon as possible. You can come pick her up, and then you just have to sign her out, just saying that you'll take care of her for X amount of hours.
She would just get.
And then she's gonna get released tonight.
I got you.
Yeah,
But she would be. I wouldn't be able to get her for. What do you think? 2 hours?
Yeah, probably
like
around
that,
there.
she would have
Yeah.
to get processed
Yes.
or whatever?
When I'm done with my process. So the sooner I get back and start doing the paperwork, I'm gonna do it right now. So like, I
promise.
Yeah.
I am as good at the drive as possible.
Yeah,
like
I just
said,
don't-
I knew she was coming down from Arizona. I knew she was home. I'm not trying to pull a fast one on you.
Yeah, I'd rather you get a ride.
I feel.
I'd rather get a ride, and then
Absolutely.
I appreciate it. And then I'll have her call you, all right?
So
What's your name?
Shane Hickey.
Okay.
Hickey. My mom's Kelly Hickey. She's the one that owns the car.
Okay.
I'm Shane Hickey. I'm her son.
Okay.
So
yeah, I'll have her call you.
So you're saying like two hours?
Yeah, I would say approximately.
I appreciate
All
it,
right.
man.
No problem,
Appreciate
Shane.
it. Thank you for doing it.
Work on that ride.
I got so you should say I should go where right now as I wait for her.
I could drive you to the police station. You could sit in the
I'm
lobby.
It's up to you.
That'd
Either
be
way,
cool
I
with
can
us.
drive, but if you want to drive,
No.
I'm absolutely all right with that.
We'll have one of those
Police
officers.
officer will drive you to Maniloc and headquarters. You'll just wait in the lobby until she gets released.
Yeah,
Okay. All right.
that'd be perfect. You're right back there.
I'll be transferring the male passenger to Maniloc headquarters.
I just called my mom.
I got you. We'll call your mom. Right?
Thank you. I just want to know where I am. That's all that matters to me.
You're good. Here, we're gonna go up an elevator first before I take off your cuffs, okay? You're good. You're good. That's it. Here, you want your sock?
Yeah, my neck. I don't give a single fuck about my sock. I want my fucking neck.
You trying to leave your sock in my car?
I don't give a fuck about my sock. Do you have my neck?
Yeah, if it's in the bag.
If it's in the back.
I got you.
You know I would never put anyone at harm, right?
I know that.
I would never. I would do anything. So I would never do anything I would hurt anyone. You know that, right?
I know that.
I know it looks really bad, and I'll do anything I deserve. But I just want you to know I would never put anyone at risk.
I hear you. I appreciate it.
Don't do the crime if you can't do the time, right?
I hear you. Here, you then sit on that bench right there.
Yeah.
No, this one.
County 25, I'm coming out of Maniloc headquarters.
36.
Hey, Prince, can you just come inside as well?
There is weed in there. There's 2 joints in there.
Alright, that's fine.
And there's a cart on the disc stub.
That's fine.
And the free on the stub.
He might have took it because.
It's all legal.
Alright, I got you. What dispensary you go to?
I am newly 21. I just went to the freehold dispo for the first time. I just moved back because I turned 21 while I was in college. So I turned 21 while I was in, and I tried the dispos there for a little bit, and then I just moved back to Jersey.
When'd you move back to Jersey?
I just moved back into my parents' place, and then I tried the dispo in freehold for the first time, and it was and the weed's actually pretty good. If you are a weed smoker, I'm not gonna lie, it is pretty good. My dad loves it too. He was the one who showed me.
Oh yeah.
My dad is a weed smoker.
My bad. I forgot that you didn't have a key. Alright. Prince, you want to watch her? Because I gotta make a phone call.
What town am I in?
Manilogan.
Do you have my weapon?
You can just... You want to leave it in my locker? Go down there.
I can just put it over here.
Yeah, or there's one over here. There's locks over here.
Can I go to this side?
Yeah. Just wrap around. There's locks in that closet. Oh, Prince, you got a key? What? You got a handcuff key?
Yeah.
Here, I'll get you out of there. You want to stand up? Turn around.
Diona ultimately blew a staggering 0.203% BAC, more than double the legal limit. Despite her politeness and cheerleader balance, the science didn't lie. She was charged with DUI and released to a sober adult. If you found this breakdown intense, hit that like button and subscribe for more real-life body cam analysis.